Postseason Game Plan, powered by Legacy Safeguard, is your guide to better serve your clients. Following a successful AEP, Postseason Game Plan makes it easy for agents to become a champion in the senior market. Here are some of the benefits Postseason Game Plan offers you. It equips agents with a revolutionary strategy, builds stronger client relationships, increases client retention, and helps individuals and their families increase peace of mind. The Postseason Game Plan builds on your Medicare sales, equipping you with an easy-to-implement strategy that will help you build stronger client relationships, increase retention, and, most importantly, better meet the needs of your clients and their families. So, what is the Postseason Game Plan about? Your clients have other major needs beyond Medicare, and this is where agents can help. One major need is planning for their life insurance needs. A surprising number of Americans, 30% of all households, have no life insurance protection at all, and 50% of households say they need more life insurance. That's where the Postseason Game Plan comes in. This is every agent's guide to understanding and serving the senior market with their life insurance needs. Agents will learn how to talk with clients about planning for the future with straightforward information and empathy for a process that everyone will face. The Postseason Game Plan is a turnkey program that includes everything an agent needs to be successful. Powered by the resources in Legacy Safeguard, including training, lead generation materials, sales presentations, and more, agents become the trusted resource for their clients as they plan for their holistic needs in the future. Get to know Legacy Safeguard and see how the Postseason Game Plan is an easy way for agents to meet even more of their consumers' needs.